Today we will learn about how to prepare a dashboard by using a simple example. Friends, look here. Uh, on your screen there is an example given for you, and by using this example I have prepared a dashboard for you, and I want to show up how this dashboard works. Look here, when I click over here, then the graphs automatically changes. When I click over the different categories, then the graph only shows this category's data, and when I click on candy, then this only shows candy data. Look over the graphs are automatically changes. This is how, if you want to show up the data as month wise, if you want to show the month wise data of January, then you have to click over January, so that January data will be shown to you. And if you click over February, look over, this is the button, and if you click over February, it shows only February data. If you click over March, then it shows March data. If you click over April, it shows April data. Like that, if you want to show up the data on product wise, then it automatically shows you only product wise data, whichever specifically related to that product. Look here, if you want to show the data should be shown state wise, then it only shows state wise data. Look here. Now the question is how to prepare this dashboard. What are the procedures? Today we will learn about what is the procedure to make a dashboard which looks like beautiful, very beautiful. Okay friends, now go to the example. We right now we prepare a exactly same a dashboard. This is the example. The first step is select all the cells and columns, means all columns and all rows. All cells means all columns and all rows. These are columns and these are cells. These are all rows. These are all columns. Now, if you want to select all cells over this sheet, then you have to click over there. The leftmost corner of the rows and columns, if you click over there, then all sheets selected. The reason behind selecting this sheet is that if you want to add more data about the sheet, then the dashboard automatically updated. You need to only refresh, click over the refresh button. Now the first step is select the all cells, means all rows and all columns. Next step is click our insert button. The second step is click our insert button. Then the first option is pivot table. Click over the pivot table. Now select new worksheet. It in Excel, these are this is the option already chosen for you, and now click OK. This is there is a new sheet automatically opens for you. Now you choose the first. Look here, dashboard. The first is sales month wise. Then here is the date, then sales. You have to value. Now here is the count. Now it shows you count cells. So click over the bottom and go to value setting. Look here and click over this sum. OK. Now, what is the January sales, February sales, March sales, April sales? These are shown off to you. Now, here is a blank. Right now, we don't need the blank, so hide the blank. Okay. Now go to look here. Here is a five pivot chart. Click over the pivot chart. Then okay. Very simple steps are there. And right now you have to right click and hide all field buttons. Then right here month wise cells, month wise cells. Okay, you need to show off your then click about data tab, data labels. Now this is your graph prepared for you. Now this deleted. You can choose your go to design and choose your graph page for your choice. Now create a sheet, write down dashboard here, dashboard new. Now I white up this. Okay, then copy this chat here, paste. Look here, one chart is created for you. The first chart is created for you. This is the procedure to create a pivot chart. I created the first chart for you. Okay, then the next step is go to analyze button and click over the insert slicer button. Now put the date column. Okay, look here, then copy, go to new dashboard, paste. Okay, now look here, bottom is also created. Here is our original dashboard, cells month wise created and month bottom also created for you. The second step is now again go to the example, select all cells. Already here all cells selected. If not selected, then go to here, select all cells, then insert pivot table. Okay, now category cells value, go to value, put the cells into values, field value setting, sum. Okay, this is how can be prepared. Remove the blank. Okay, now pivot chart. Okay, right click, hide all field buttons, then right here category wise cells, category wise cells. This is how your graph created. And here is the plus button, click over there, data labels, then this is what your graph created, category wise cells. Then copy this graph and go to new dashboard, paste here. This is the second graph created for you. And if you want to customize the graph and want to more beautiful this graph, then go to design and choose one of the graph and choose one of the color. Look here, I choose one of the color, and you have to some formatting work also you need to do, which will help you to look your graph more beautiful. Now one button created. Now you have to create category wise category button. So this step is same, and you have to analyze, insert slicer, click our category, then OK. This is the button created, and copy, go to dashboard, paste. This is how two graphs created and two buttons also created. Now this start step is go again to examples, insert. If if this is not selected, then select again, insert pivot table, OK. Then product name, cells, go to values, put the cells into values, take our value field setting, OK. Now hide this blank column, OK. It's pivot chart, OK. If you want to this there is a point that if you want to two graph, then you need to create two pivot table, two times pivot table. If you want three graphs, three times pivot table. If you want four graphs, then you have to create four times pivot table. This is hard. Then hide all field settings, and right now you have to edit here that this is the product wide cells, product wise cells. I have customized here, and right now I put my data labels. Okay, now the graph is created. I want to more design, then click over there. I created one of the designs. Look here and copy. If you want to new color, then the color is also changed. Look here, the color changed. Okay, copy, new dashboard, then paste. Look here, graph is also created. The third graph, product wise cells, also created. I put over here, and I put this one also here. Now our third graph is created. Third graph is also created for you. This is what your third graph. I customize something. Product wise cells, third graph is also created. Now I want to create my button. Insert slicer, product name. Okay. The step and procedures are same for all pivot tables, and this is how copy, then go to new dashboard, then paste. This is how this is your third button created. Right now we the third step, this step is same. Go to insert pivot table, then pivot chart, then slicer. The fourth step is also same. Select all the data, then insert pivot table. OK. Now our date is finished, category is finished, product name is finished. Now it's state, and put the cells into values, edit the data, value field setting, then sum. OK. This is what I created the last step of the data. This is blank. you to then pivot table. Okay, this is our, you want to remove these ones, then right click, hide all field buttons on chat. This one is so deleted. Right now I edited here. I will edit here that this one is state-wise cells. State-wise cells. State-wise cells. Here what I put my data labels. Then I change some designs. I will change my designs. Look here. Then copy. New dashboard. Paste. Paste here. Now this is your graph. This is your graph. A beautiful graph created for you. Fourth step is button. Fourth button. This is what? Click over analyze slicer state. Okay. Now this also created for you. Now copy dashboard new paste. Look here. This is what your dashboard looks like. If you go to option 2 column, 3 column, 4th column, 5th column. This is what now you have to set your data as for your space, availability of space. Now you select your data as per the availability of space. Look here, and it looks like some beautiful. Now I want to small up this one, something beautiful. I formatting here, and so that my data looks like more beautiful, my graphs looks like more beautiful, and my buttons are also visible clearly. You can change the color here. You can change the color here. Go to here, and this is what your graphs looks like, your buttons looks like. This is what your buttons looks like. Okay, more one is there. One is product. This is what we are looking for. Okay, I change my color to choose to look very beautiful. Look here, this is what your first step is created. Your first step is created right now. This is what your first step is created. This is what your first step is created. Now, how these buttons work? These buttons work when you right click, report connection. If you right click, there is an option that report connection. Check, click all the checkbox filled up. All the checkbox should be filled up. Okay. Right click, report connection. This is what you have to do. Okay. In all four slicers, you have to connect all reports so that your data shows you automatically. Look here, this is the fourth slicer, this is report connection, and this is what I want to show you. You have to check all the pivot tables. Now I show you when you click over the categories button. Look here, your graph now worked. This is what a beautiful dashboard looks like. Okay, this is what a beautiful dashboard looks like. Here you can click over January, then January sales is only shown of you. When you click over February, then February sales is only shown of you. If you click over March, then March sales is only shown of you. This is what a beautiful dashboard created for you, and this is what your graph changes automatically. You want to sum up data in state wise, then also it shows you the state wise. This is what your graph changes automatically. And thank you for watching IC Baser Group. The technique is the technique to build up a dashboard is very easy and very dynamic. You need to practice so that you can generate new ideas and prepare a beautiful dashboard. For for more and details, stay connected with us.